Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a transcript request letter. What is a transcript request letter? A transcript request letter is a formal request from a student to their educational institution for an official copy of their academic transcript. This document is crucial for purposes like job applications, further education applications, or verifying academic records. The letter should include essential details such as the student's information, recipient's details, and the reason for the request. Once processed, the institution sends the transcript directly to the specified recipient or institution. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a transcript request letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. And then, write the information about the recipient. You can write their full name. And if you don't know, just write the office name. Under it, write the name of the university. In this example, the letter is addressed to Registrar's office in Alabama University. After that, write the address of the office or university. Here, you need to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After completing these information, you can open the letter with salutation. Simply write Dear Sir or Madam since you don't know their name. In the first paragraph, you need to tell the recipient the reason why you are writing this letter. You can simply write, I am writing to request an official copy of my academic transcript from Alabama University. After that, you must introduce yourself. Yes, you need to mention your full name. And mention your student ID as well. For example, my name is Emma Davis, and my student ID number is 123120C. Since you are asking for a transcript, you should mention the month and year you started attending the university and the ending date as well. For example, the writer here attended Alabama University from September 2020 to June 2024. This will help the staff to find your data faster. In the second paragraph, this is where you write details about your request. You may need the transcript to be addressed specifically to certain institution or company or organization. You need to mention it here. For example, you can write, need this transcript to support my graduate school applications. Of course, it is a must for you to mention how many copies you need. In this example, the writer would like to request 2 copies. And the writer asked the recipient to send the copies directly to some institutions. Therefore, you need to make a list for it. You should write the name of the company or institution or organization. And write the address by including the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. For example, Recipient 1 is for University of Grad Studies. The Recipient 1 address is 789 Grad Street, Gradville, Illinois 12345. And the Recipient 2 is Grad School Y. The Recipient 2 address is 567 Grad Avenue, Gradsville, Illinois 54321. When you request for a transcript, make sure you know how much it costs. Different university has different fee for it, and you need to attach the money along with the request letter. For example, you can simply write, enclosed, you will find a processing fee of $25 to cover any associated costs. And in case there are extra fees, you can ask the recipient to contact you. Ask politely by writing something like, please let me know if there are any additional fees or forms required for this request. Sometimes there are forms need to be filled in, therefore you write it in advance. In the fourth paragraph, this is where you give details about the address, where you want the transcripts to be sent to. And if you have specific request, you must clearly write it here. For example, some companies or organizations may ask you to give the documents with sealed envelopes and a stamp on it. So you can simply write, "I kindly request that the transcripts be sent in sealed envelopes to maintain their official status." After giving the details, now you write your address. Write something like, "You can send them to my address below." And there you write your full address by mentioning your home number, street name, city, state, and zip code as well. In the last paragraph, this is where you give your personal contact information. You know, the recipient may need to contact you fast. So this is a must. You can write, "If there are any further instructions or if you require additional information, please feel free to contact me." And there you give your phone number. And write also your email address. These two are the most common ones in formal letter. Yes, welcome the recipient to contact you anytime soon. And don't forget to show your gratitude for the recipient. Mostly, in formal letters, you can write, "I appreciate your prompt attention to this matter." And ask politely that the recipient responds as soon as possible. You can write, "I look forward to receiving the transcripts in a timely manner." Don't forget to say thank you for the recipient's assistance. And finally, you can close the letter with "sincerely." Add your signature. And write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a transcript request letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.